Hello friends, my name is Tosif Khan from ICT branch Marwad University. Today I will explain you the concepts of modulation and multiplexing. Before understanding the modulation and multiplexing, we need to understand the basic concepts. So let's start understanding data communication. Data communication is the exchange of digital information between devices through transmission media using cables or wireless signals. Here we need the help of modulation and multiplexing. What is modulation? It is the key technique which converts a digital signal into an analog signal by varying properties of high frequency carrier wave to carry the information. Multiplexing is the technique used in data communication to transmit multiple signals into the single physical link. Let's go deep understanding of modulation. Now, what is modulation? It is the process of adding your information to a carrier signal so that it can travel long distance without getting distorted. The purpose of the modulation is it enables long distance transmission, and its benefit is it reduces antenna size. Now in modulation we need to understand the two terms, baseband signal and carrier signal. The baseband signal is a low frequency information signal which we want to transmit, and the carrier signal is a high frequency wave that carries the baseband information far distances. Here we have a small animation which helps us to understand the modulation in a simpler. Here in this animation you can see that the carrier signal carries the baseband signal, and so the signal travels to a long distance, and this signal is known as modulated signal. There are two types of modulations: analog modulation and digital modulation. In analog modulation, continuous signal variations. There are three types of analog modulations. Amplitude modulation. In amplitude modulation, height of a carrier wave changes, frequency and phase remains constant. It is used in AM radio broadcasting. FM frequency modulation. In this, frequency of a carrier wave changes, amplitude remains constant. Used in FM radio. Phase modulation. In phase modulation, carrier wave changes, amplitude and frequency remains constant. Used in wireless communication and satellite systems. Digital modulation. In digital modulation, discrete signal states. First is ASK, amplitude shift keying. In this, amplitude changes between fixed levels. FSK, frequency shift keying. In this, frequency changes to represent data. It is used in Bluetooth. PSK, phase shift keying. In this, phase changes in steps. It is used in Wi-Fi. QAM, quadrature amplitude modulation. It is the combination of amplitude and phase changes. It is used in 4G and 5G. It provides higher data rates. What is multiplexing? It is a technique in data communication where multiple signals combined and sent through one communication channel at the same time. Efficiency is to maximize the bandwidth usage and sharing multiple users in one medium. For better understanding, let's see one example. Consider a road. Three people follows three different paths which merges to single path. In multiplexing, same thing occurs. Many signals combined and sent through one medium. Types of multiplexing. There are four types of multiplexing: FDM, TDM, WDM, CDMA. FDM, frequency division multiplexing. In this, different frequency channels. It is used in TV and radio broadcasting. TDM, time division multiplexing. It is used in time slots allocation, and it is used in digital telephony. WDM, wavelength division multiplexing, light wavelength in fiber, and it is used in fiber optic networks. CDMA, code division, it is a unique codes for each users, and it is used in a mobile network. Some real life examples are for modulation applications, Wi-Fi networks, 4G 5G mobiles, TV broadcasting, etc. And for multiplexing applications, telephone networks, fiber optic internet, cable TV systems, etc. Thank you.